So good morning to all. So previously we already studied about system software. So today we are going to study about application software. So system of software is used to control the overall operation of a computer, where the application software is used to perform a particular application. So in right side that box one definition is there. Application software is a set of programs. It is necessary to carry out the operation for a specified application. So that such a type of software is called application software. So it is used for a particular specified applications only. So application programs are subdivided into main three category: general purpose application, a special purpose application, and a customized software. So first one is called a general purpose. So as the name implies, it is used for a general purpose only. So before going to study that, the first paragraph tells that without a system software we cannot perform any application software, because system software is control the overall operation. So without system software, one application software cannot be run. So better example, operating system is a system software. Without operating system, we cannot do this type of application software. So here, the general softwares are designed for an individual users in order to need or in order to perform their requirement. So such a type of general software is called a general purpose application software. So it is sometimes called packages. Package means it's containing a collection of too many applications. So here in general purpose application software, the examples are word processing software, presentation software, then accounting software, then database management software. So we can study one by one. So word processing, first one, word processing software. Word processing means nothing but we can type or enter the data, we can edit the data, we can format the data, we can printing the text. So better example is Microsoft Word or our LibreOffice editor. It's a better example of word processing software. So by using that word processing software, we can allow entering data, editing data, formatting data, and printing text. So in the right side one column, the popular word processors are WordPerfect and AbiWord. So another software is word processing software is Microsoft Word, then LibreOffice Writer. So it is mainly used for doing such a type of typing application or word processing, formatting, and printing. So next one, spreadsheet, electronic spreadsheet. So electronic spreadsheet is a program that accepts the data in tabular form and allows the users to manipulate, calculate, and analyze data in a particular manner. So it is normally used in for accounting cases. So look at that. This is the window of one electronic spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is consist of a table, a row and column. So it used to enter the data in that table only. So after that, after entering the data, we can manipulate the data. Means we can find the sum, we can find the average, we can display that the data in a chart format. So these are the main operations of electronic spreadsheet. So word processing, electronic spreadsheet, and presentation software we need to study in coming chapters. So there are separate chapters are there, so don't worry about it. So you just understand that what is the meaning of electronic spreadsheet only. So here popular spreadsheet packages are given here: Excel, OpenOffice, Calc. So too many applications are there. So next one, presentation software. Presentation software is used to create the presentation. Presentation means a slideshow. You already see that a slideshow. The software that can be create the professional looking visual aids. It is called a presentation graphic software. So we can create the slide. Slide means nothing but while teaching in smart class, we already teach with that slides only. So that's we created by using the presentation software. So look at that, that's a figure. So in the right side figure B, so it's an then one person is explain the class. So left side is called slide. So using that such a type of slide, we can take one class. So that is called presentation. So such a type of presentations are created by using presentation software. So last one is called database management software, DBMS. DBMS is a package that can be created to handle and manage bulk amount of data. So it is nothing but a DBMS we can consider as a memory. It is used to store the data. It is used to store the data. For example, when you organize information with an index card, you generally arrange them in a logical order or alphabetically by name or data ways and city ways or increasing the ways of amount like that only. So the main use of DBMS means to store the data permanently. Then we can manipulate that DBMS. So whenever we want the data, we can take that data from the DBMS. So an example of an DBMS packages are OpenOffice, ORG Base, MS Access and Oracle. So Oracle is the most famous database management software. So today we study application software. So application software only we study general purpose software. So tomorrow we can study the special purpose and the customized software. Today we only study general purpose software. So application programs are classified into three: general purpose, special purpose and customized. So general purpose, the examples of general purpose are word processing software, spreadsheet, database management and presentation software. So hope you understand these application programs, general purpose softwares.